External programs. A number of external software application often add filtering as a primary or additional features. A traditional solution is to customize an HTTP proxy or web proxy to filter content. This program works by chasing and filtering content before it is displayed in a user browser. This provides an opportunity to remove not only ads but also content that may be offensive, inappropriate, or even malicious or drive by download. Popular proxy software which block content effectively include NetNanny, Prevoxy, Squid, and some content control software. The main advantage of the Madhouse is freedom from implementation limitation or browser blocking techniques, and centralization of control on the proxy can be used by many users. Proxies are very good at filtering ads, but they have several limitations compared to browser-based solutions. For proxies, it is difficult to filter transport layer security or SSL traffic, and full depth context is not available to the filter. As well, proxies find it difficult to filter JavaScript generated ad content, host file, and DNS manipulation. Most operating systems, even those which are aware of the domain name system or DNS, still offer backward compatibility with a locally administered list of origin hosts. This configuration for historical relation is stored in a float text file that by default contains very few host names and their associated IP address. Editing this host file is simple and effective because most DNS clients will read the local host file before querying a remote DNS server. Storing black hole entries in the host file prevents the browser from accessing an ad server by manipulating the name resolution of the ID server to a local or non-existent IP address, are typically used for IPv4 address. While simple to implement, this Madhouse can be circumvented by advertiser either by hard coding the IP address of the server that hosts the ads, or this, in its run, can be worked around by searching the local routing table by using, for example, IP table or other blocking firewalls, or by loading the advertisement from the same server that serves the main content. Blocking name resolution of the server would also block the useful content of the site. Using a DNS sinkhole by manipulating the host will exploit the fact that most operating systems store a file with IP address. Domain name pairs, which is consulted by most browsers before using a DNS server to look up a domain name by assigning the loopback address to each known and server. The user directs traffic intended to reach each and server to the local machine or to a virtual black hole of or depth or null or Bitbucket. DNS filtering. Advertising can be blocked by using a DNS server which is configured to block access to domain or host names which are known to server as by spoofing the address. User can choose to use an already modified DNS server or set up a dedicated device running adequate software such as a Raspberry Pi running Pi-hole themselves. Manipulating DNS is a widely employed method to manipulate what the end user sees from the internet, but can also be deployed locally for personal purpose. China runs its own root DNS and the EU has considered the same. Google has recorded Google public DNS be used for some application on its Android device. Accordingly, DNS address or domains used for advertising may be extremely vulnerable to a broad from of its substitution where B, a domain that serves X is entirely swiped out with one serving more local